This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. This wonderful 4-bedroom, 2-bath home is located in the desirable community of Pines West. The generously sized split-bedroom floor plan features a spacious living room and a great room. The remodeled kitchen features White Shaker Cabinetry with crown molding trim, pull-out shelves, soft close doors, new Stainless Steel Appliance Package and a Charming Breakfast Nook. The Comfort Height Breakfast Bar adorned with Granite Countertops provides additional seating space. The great room is enhanced with vaulted ceilings and glass sliding doors that lead into the 20 by 10 screened in Lanai. The master bedroom suite feature wall-to-wall carpeting and a walk-in closet. The master bathroom is appointed with a Comfort Height Vanity enhanced with Granite Countertop, dual sinks, water closet, walk-in shower and luxurious garden tub. Other amenities include a laundry room with shelving, new roof with architectural shingles, updated HVAC system, remodeled guest bath, new dual flush Comfort Height toilets, irrigation system, exterior carriage lighting, paved patio with firepit, gutters, fenced-in backyard and a 2-car garage with door opener. This picturesque family-friendly community features sidewalks that are ideal for strolling. Other amenities include a playground, picnic area, and basketball court. This home is located on a premium lot conveniently located within minutes from I-4 and Orlando attractions. For more information,